Hi, I'm Nick from Rusty Barrel, and today we're talking about ice, because no ice, no cocktail. Water is present in every single cocktail, and sometimes it's really obvious that it's there. Think about a gin and tonic or a mojito. Sometimes it's less obvious. Think of a Martini, an old-fashioned, or a Negroni. But I promise you there is always water in every mixed drink that you have. Diluting ice and putting the water into a cocktail is the art of what a bartender does. Let's think about what a chef does. When a chef cooks, they use heat and fire to develop flavour. Bartenders use ice and dilution in exactly the same way. Today I'm going to look at two methods that we use for mixing drinks. I'm going to talk to you about shaking a cocktail and stirring down a cocktail. Both are used in very specific sets of circumstances, and I'm going to tell you all about that. So let's start with stirring drinks. You'll need a bar spoon and a mixing vessel. I'm using a glass vessel, but you can use the bottom of a cocktail shaker, no problem at all. Put the spoon in, add the alcohol that you want to mix together, and fill it up with ice. Stirring down drinks is mainly used when we're making booze-forward drinks. So think Martinis, Manhattans, old-fashions or Negronis. Stirring drinks is deliberate. You can be slow and precise with the flavour of the finished cocktail. When you finish stirring down the cocktail, take your strainer, take the glass that you want to serve in, and pour. So the second method is for shaking cocktails. As a general rule, we shake a cocktail when there's fresh fruit juice, fresh fruit itself, or herbs and spices in the mix. Add your ingredients and fill the tin about 2/3 with ice. Too little and your ice will melt too fast, leaving you with a watery cocktail. Too much, the ice won't melt enough and you won't dilute the cocktail enough. There are 4 reasons that we shake a cocktail. We want to chill, mix, aerate, and dilute the drink. And you shake a cocktail in a circular motion for about 8 to 10 seconds. So let's give it a shake. When you're happy your cocktail's mixed, you can get your service glass and strain from the shaker. And that's your cocktail ready to go. So one quick tip. If you're noticing that the lid of your shaker is sticking to the base, it's probably that you've overshaken the cocktail. So just reduce that shake time down. More to 8 to 10 seconds is perfect. So the next time your bartender serves you a glass full of ice, thank him. He's being deliberate. He's not serving you a small drink. He's not being stingy. He's making sure that your drink stays chilled but doesn't go watery. So now you too can get geeky about ice, because remember, no ice means no cocktails.